every day you got that Benjamin Button. Claiming he don't got a girl, you know niggas be frontin'. You don't need no bitch coming up to you as a woman. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on the FaceTime. Damn, I'm just stating the facts. You hate that like you hate when niggas tell you relax.
The fuck you mean? So welcome back to my channel. Excuse my voice, I'm a little under the weather. But we're gonna get into this water dyeing. Okay, so I have my hot water here already. It's kind of dirty. Don't mind. I mean, it's not dirty, it just has hair in it, but whatever. So we're gonna start off with this color from Kiss, Cyan. And then we're gonna go in with the Blue Moonlight, okay? So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this in here at first because I want the roots of the hair to be like a, I don't know, like a really, really pastel blue. So I'm gonna, like, I don't want them to be too blue yet. I want to do a transition. So I'm just gonna go ahead, just keep on stirring. Y'all, this color smells so good. Oh my god. And I'm gonna put a little bit more, and then I'm gonna test it out and see how it looks. Hopefully it comes out the color that I want it to. If not, then I'm gonna have to either add more water or add more color. And you can't really tell because this is blue, but don't worry, y'all will be able to see it. And yeah, I've already put my Got to Be spray on the hair. I mean on the lace because I do not want to stain my lace. So yeah. I don't feel like it didn't do anything. So we're gonna add some more. came out. And of course, you know, I'll post pictures of me in it afterwards. But this is how the wig came out. And I think it looks so cute. Like, I can't wait to put it on and, you know, put makeup on and just, you know, bring it to life. But yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Like, the color came out exactly how I wanted it. And yeah, the only thing I don't like is that this was beauty store here. And again, excuse my voice, you guys. My allergies is acting real crazy, so I sound really crazy right now. But the only thing I don't like is that the fact that the frontal is not a full frontal. It's like an inch on the sides, and then like the goes back, I think four inches back. Other than the size part, we're good, because the way I had to sew the tracks is just crazy. So like, depending on how I do it, you can kind of see the tracks right there. But as long as I kind of like keep it fluffed over for the side parts, then I'll be good. You can't really tell. But yeah, this color came out great. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It literally came out exactly how I wanted it. And it's literally like a gradient effect, and that's really what I wanted. I wanted it to be lighter towards the top and then go, you know, dark. So yeah, this is the color. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more color videos, just let me know. I will be doing more color videos anyway, but you know, if you guys have a color that you would like for me to try, please comment down below, because I'm willing and open to suggestions. I love hair color and I love trying different colors, so I'm literally down for whatever. And yeah, I really like it how this hair came out. Looks really nice, really nice. I'm really feeling this. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, bye.
Turn around, fuck it all the way up. Dust it down, turn around, fuck it all the way up. Bust it down, turn around.